a world where cyber threats are constantly evolving, protecting your data has never been more critical. But what if AI could be the key to safeguarding your digital life? Stay tuned as UK Tech Genius explores how AI is revolutionizing cybersecurity and protecting your data. As cyber attacks become more sophisticated, traditional security measures often fall short. Enter AI, a game changer in the realm of cybersecurity. Let's dive into how AI is being used to protect your data from cyber threats. 1. Threat detection. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data in real time to identify unusual patterns and behaviors that may indicate a cyber attack. Machine learning algorithms can detect threats faster and more accurately than traditional methods, significantly reducing response times and potential damage. 2. Behavioral analysis. AI uses behavioral analysis to understand the normal patterns of users and systems. When anomalies are detected, such as unauthorized access or unusual data transfers, AI systems can trigger alerts and take action to mitigate risks. This proactive approach helps in preventing data breaches before they cause significant harm. 3. Automated response. AI can automate responses to common threats, such as phishing attempts and malware infections. By instantly isolating affected systems and blocking malicious activities, AI reduces the burden on human cybersecurity teams and ensures quicker resolution of incidents. Loving these insights on AI and cybersecurity? Make sure to subscribe to UK Tech Genius for more cutting-edge content on AI technology. 4. Predictive Analytics. One of the most powerful features of AI in cybersecurity is predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data and identifying trends, AI can predict potential threats and vulnerabilities before they are exploited. This allows organizations to fortify their defenses proactively and stay ahead of cybercriminals. 5. Enhancing authentication. AI is enhancing authentication methods by incorporating biometric data such as fingerprints, facial recognition, and voice patterns. These advanced authentication techniques provide an additional layer of security, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to access sensitive information. By leveraging AI, cybersecurity measures are becoming more robust and effective. However, it's crucial to remember that AI is not a silver bullet. It works best when integrated with other security protocols and continuously updated to counter emerging threats. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to UK Tech Genius for more insights on AI technology. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, stay safe and protect your data with AI.